buddy.
I think someone here can do 8 reps. I think it's possible. I think we might see it today. Yeah, but what we see with that big monster I see sitting over there. I don't know about that. That thing's been loaded only a few times.
Let's go, Mike.
All right, folks, here we go. 5, the number to beat.
There you go. Rep it
Excellent
out.
technique.
Rep it out, man. Rep it out.
Do it again.
Got to move, Mike.
There's 2.
Let's go, Mike. Come on.
Let's go, man. Let's crank it up.
Come on.
You got to go, Mike.
Come on, looking for number 3. There's 3.
There you go. Let's go.
Come on, Mike.
Let's go.
Come on!
Let's go, Mike. You got to go, buddy.
Come on, Mike, you can do it! Come on!
Quit thinking about it. Let's do it. Let's go.
Left!
Dig, dig, dig. Come on.
Come on! Left!
For second place.
Let's go.
Come on, Mike. Let's go. Get another one.
Come on!
Got to go, Mike.
Attack it.
Come on.
Come on, one more!
Attack it.
Seconds.
Mike, attack it.